High in the eastern Himalayas, nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, lies a marvel of engineering and beauty, Batasia Loop. Just 5 kilometers from Darjeeling, this spiraling railway's bend is more than a scenic attraction. It's a place where history, ingenuity, and nature come together in one breathtaking loop. Built in 1919, the Batasia Loop was designed to negotiate the steep gradients of Darjeeling's mountainous terrain. Here, the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, performs a graceful spiral, allowing the toy train to descend more than 140 feet in a gentle curve. It's not just a track, it's a brilliant solution to a seemingly impossible engineering challenge. At the center of the loop stands a beautiful maintained war memorial, built in honor of the Gorkha soldiers of Darjeeling who sacrificed their lives for the nation. Here, flags flutter in the breeze, and the sound of the train's whistle mingles with silent tribute. A reminder that Batasia Loop is not just about beauty, but also memory and pride. As the miniature train snakes through the loop, passengers are treated to panoramic views of Darjeeling town, tea gardens, and the mighty Kanchenjunga in the background, the third highest peak in the world. The rhythmic chug of the train, the crisp mountain air, and the slow glide around the loop create a journey that feels almost cinematic. The word Batasia means airy place in Nepali, and true to its name, the loop sits at a breezy, elevated point surrounded by blooming flowers and scenic gardens. It's a haven for photographers, travelers, and those seeking peace, a natural amphitheater for the hills. For the local people, the train is more than a tourist attraction. It is a living, breathing part of Darjeeling's rhythm, connecting towns, carrying memories, and representing a heritage that is uniquely Himalayan. You will often see school children waving at the train or elderly locals sharing stories of its legacy. Batasia Loop is now one of Darjeeling's most iconic spots, drawing visitors from around the world. It's often featured in travel documentaries, photography books, and cinematic frames. But beyond its popularity, it offers something rare, a moment to pause, look out at the mountains, and feel the timelessness of nature and design. In a world rushing forward, Batasia Loop remains a gentle reminder that sometimes a spiral path is the most elegant way forward. It tells us the beauty lies in balance between man's creation and nature's vastness. And in every turn of the track, it whispers stories of the past, of progress, and of peace. So, the next time you are in Darjeeling, stand by the loop, close your eyes, and listen. The mountains speak here, and the train never forgets to answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and like, share and comment below.